In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to find and remove duplicate rows in Smartsheet. If you're working with a sheet that has repeated entries, cleaning it up the right way can save time and prevent reporting errors later. The key is to identify duplicates carefully before deleting anything so you don't accidentally remove important data. To begin, open the Smartsheet sheet that contains the duplicate data. Once you're in the sheet, take a moment to scan the information and identify which column contains the values that should be unique. This might be something like an ID number, an email field, an order reference, or any other value that should only appear once. Choosing the correct column is important because that's what Smartsheet will use to detect duplicates. If your sheet doesn't already have a place to mark duplicates, add a helper column. This extra column is just for analysis, and it makes the process much easier to manage. You can name it something clear like duplicate check so it's obvious what it's being used for. Next, use a formula such as COUNTIF in that helper column to flag repeated values. The formula checks how many times the value from your target column appears in the full column range. If the count is greater than 1, that row is part of a duplicate set. This gives you a quick and consistent way to identify possible duplicates without sorting through the sheet manually. After entering the formula, make sure it applies to the rows you want to review. Once the duplicates are marked, filter the sheet so only the duplicate rows are displayed. This helps you focus only on the entries that need attention and reduces the chance of overlooking something. Filtering is especially useful in larger sheets where duplicates can be hard to spot visually. Before deleting anything, review the duplicate rows carefully. This is a very important step. Not every repeated value is necessarily a true duplicate row. In some cases, two rows may share the same identifier but contain different notes, dates, statuses, or other relevant details. Compare the rows closely to confirm whether one should be removed or whether both need to be kept. After you've confirmed which rows are true duplicates, you can delete them or move them to another sheet if you want to keep a backup for reference. Moving duplicates instead of deleting them can be a safer option when you're cleaning up important records. That's how to find, review, and remove duplicate rows in Smartsheet accurately and safely.